What's up my people? Morning. So right now today, at this video here, just want to show you guys basically we are going to store up some kaki and some saltfish and some things. So right now up on the ground, on the spot here. So I pick some kaki and show you guys what I go on. We're out here same way. It's a lovely day here. As you guys can basically see. Me and Dylan there same way.
Yeah man, we're there man. Actually fully loaded, we are prepared to climb and all, you know the thing go.
Man,
Yeah,
so.
man, man. Of course you have to then call a banana you do.
Yeah. Banana purple. Yeah. So.
No. Yeah, me too fat, eh? As much of in there, man? I see the same limb where I say me pan. Everything over there open. Yeah, what this up?
Come on.
Is there one over there that?
Right out.
Oh boy, for more. Yeah.
Okay.
Down to me, so. Yeah. Yes, no more. Thank you. Ongo down pa me ana so open. We down to down about that.
Kita reach. Padong ya.
Me can jump and reach, yes. I can
Holistic.
Yeah. But this one almost good enough. Of course, Aki is near as much as Aki. I go on. Let me try to catch one of them. Oh, same place where you go, where I go?
More there.
Yeah. Oh, I can't eat enough. I got two. Yeah.
One.
Okay, but it's a spoil. No one that. Stay by feet tight. You're not out tight.
So now we should catch up here.
What's him?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean? Can't see them bush and what's name of him? And them bush that even rain can't just find.
Yeah. Get a figure ready. Go and pick some more same way, you know?
Get some people. Right now, they eat good. They want a sweet. See, like if you have a breadfruit, and breadfruit are most spoiled, at then time they nice. Pick them out.
And now?
No, say man, say pick them out and try to sit them over there, man.
Oh.
I go on like you don't know what I go on. Look, all this is to waste on them. Ancha, this can't work. Ancha. I'll boil them off.
It's a rain, man. I don't really fuck with
what?
this. Like, they overripe, man. So I think when one take long to pick, they won't overripe.
Long time I eat this, yeah.
Yeah, boy, man, a national dish, man. Aki.
Aki.
And saltfish. National dish, yeah?
National dishes. How much a dozen?
I buy them, I get them free.
Free? Where I sell them? You don't have to buy alone. So, how far this video pick a cake?
They're pig, you know? The valley, yeah?
Pig Grave Valley? Make up your mind, man.
You're going to the valley, man.
Oh. Acha.
Look at that.
Boy. No, I'm doing them. What you think at Tarawa? This one, you know? Eat it serious.
Man, can't Maraki.
Ask people if you can, yeah.
Can't Maraki, man. See, after them now, we have meat, I've waited and open for them, we can't eat. You understand?
You want them well lock? You throw them on a chair and then open.
Yeah. Them one now, open so. Now for your skin teeth.
Two in another one, yeah. Two.
Now for your skin teeth before they can eat, you know? So I go on.
No for them waste.
This one is spoiled off, man. Yeah, man, so I go on, Show I go and see me.
Beer! Is it that you kill them?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I'm out there, let's sit in the mosquito, you know, man. Me tell them if you dash you kill them, my you.
I joke, man.
You can't find it, son.
See, I'm walking like this. See, I'm walking, yeah? Oh, that's spoiled. It was a long time. Ready?
Lenny! 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 Wagwan. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Where's it going?
This one.
Okay.
I put camera water in it.
How much you can water? 2 bills?